Traditional banks dead, Elon Musk pulled trigger. Now, X app morphs into giant digital vault, controlling all global finance. Every dollar you own goes here. Prepare for absolute control. X morphs, no more simple posts. Now send cash, pay bills, store wealth. Musk builds everything app. Entire financial life lives inside one network. Big shift starts now. Suddenly, Elon Musk hits send on a massive update. You look down at your phone, and the familiar X app morphs right before your eyes. It is not a social network anymore. It is your new digital wallet. Tap screen, cash fly instant. Old banks watch, shake with fear. Vaults drain fast. Legacy system bleed out. You tap, they lose control. Future here now, no stop this. Look at the vaults. Empty. Millions are closing old bank accounts right now. They migrate to X money, draining legacy reserves. The old giants bleed cash. The shift is massive, and it is happening fast. Central banks panicked. Governments tried to block X money transactions, pulling every plug they could find. They failed. The code was already everywhere, running on millions of devices. You cannot stop unstoppable math. Network spread fast, global web grow. Now people trade direct. No middleman, no government boss. Power shift to street, control break. Can state stop this digital fire? You decide. Paper cash is useless now. Try buying food or fuel with paper bills, stores will throw you out. Only X money works. Your green paper is trash. How long until you starve? Towering banks went dark, abandoned. Then Elon Musk swept in, buying empty giants. Why? To pack them with screaming X servers. Financial cathedrals of yesterday, now digital engines of tomorrow. Deep inside cold bank vaults, new servers scream to life. Global financial grid wakes up. It hungry. It drink local power grids dry. Can your lights survive this digital beast? Total blackout. Cities plunge into darkness. No power, no lights, but look closer. In the glow of phone screens, desperate citizens trade X money to survive. When the grid dies, digital cash becomes the ultimate lifeline. Darkness ruled, desperate leaders broke. They surrendered sovereignty, adopting X money to spark dead power grids back to life. But did they trade one master for another? Musk delete law, X code rule world now. No digital ID, no food, you starve. Code decide who eat. Scan face or die. System control life. How you survive. Look at crowd. People trade faces for bread. X network controls scan, controls food, controls survival. No scan, you starve. How long before they own your mind too? Musk rules world from cold server throne. Every connection, every thought, now belongs to X. His digital empire is complete. Will you bow to machine, or will you stand and fight for freedom?